Hey, what's going on, guys? Let's see how we can find the centroid of this provided shape right here. And they have given the equation for this one, and also we know the limits of integration. The first thing we have to do is we have to find the area. To find the area, we use this equation. A is equal to integration a to b f of x dx, right? So we have this limits of integration that's provided 0 to 1, and f of x is going to be this function that's going to be 1 minus x squared dx. So let's do the integration. If we integrate this one, this is going to come as x, this is basically 1 minus x squared, not within the bracket. Okay, so this is 1 minus x squared bracket dx. So let's do the integration. X minus x cubed divided by 3, and then that's going from 0 to 1. So if we apply, if we substitute 1, that's going to be 1 minus 1 over 3. And then if you substitute 0, the whole thing is going to be 0, because this is 0 minus 0 by 3, that's going to be 0. Right, so let's simplify this one. We can take 3 as our common denominator. So this is going to be 3 by 3 minus 1 over 3. And that is equal to 2 by 3. So our area is 2 by 3. So using this one, let's see how we can find the x bar and y bar. So first, let's find the x bar. To find the x bar, we have to use this equation. X bar is equal to 1 over a integral a to b x f of x dx. So this is the equation we use to find the x bar. So let's plug the values. 1 over a is going to be flip of this value. Since this is 2 by 3, 1 over a is going to be 3 by 2. 3 by 2 going from 0 to 1, x times this function, that is 1 minus x squared dx. So let's multiply this one and see what we get. 3 by 2, 0 to 1, x minus x cubed dx. Now we can do the integration. If we integrate this one, this is going to come as x squared divided by 2 minus x power 4 divided by 4, going from 0 to 1. And then see 3 by 2, if we substitute 1, this is going to be just 1 over 2, the other one is going to be 1 over 4, right? And the other one is going to be like, if you substitute 0, that's going to be 0. 0 divided by 2, 0, minus 0 by 4, 0. The whole thing is 0. Then 3 by 2, here we can take 4 as our common denominator. And if we take 4 common denominator, this is going to be 2. 2 minus 1. And let's simplify this one. This is going to be 3 by 2 multiplied by 1 over 4. And here what we get? 3 by 8. So 3 by 8 is our x bar. So x bar is equal to 3 by 8. Now we have to find the y bar. So let's use the y bar equation. Y bar is equal to 1 over a integral a to b half time f of x dx. So this is the equation we use to find the y bar. And let's substitute the values. We know that the area is 2 by 3. Here it's flip of this value. That's going to be 3 by 2. And the limits of integration is 0 to 1. Half the function is 1 minus x squared. 1 minus x squared dx. Now what we can do is we can expand this 1 minus x squared. So 3 by 2, 0 to 1, half. If we expand this one, this is going to come as 1 minus 2x squared plus x power 4 dx. Now we can multiply everything by half. So 3 by, I can bring the half to the front. Since it's a constant, we can bring it to the front. Half, and that's going to be integral 1 minus 2x squared plus x power 4 dx. Now we can do the integration. So this is going to be 3 by 4, and this is going from 0 to 1. If we integrate this one, this is going to be x minus 2x cubed divided by 3 plus x power 5 divided by 5, going from 0 to 1. And if we substitute 1 for this one, this is going to be 3 by 4, 1 minus 2 divided by 3 plus 1 by 5, right? Now what, and if you substitute 0, that's going to be just 0. The whole thing will become 0. 0 minus 0 plus 0, that's going to be 0. 3 by 4, and here what we can do is we can take 15 as our common denominator. If you take 15 common denominator, this is going to be 15, and this is going to be times 5, so that's going to be 10. This is going to be times 3, that's going to be 3. And let's simplify this one. 3 divided by 4, 15 minus 10 is going to be 5. 5 plus 3 is going to be 8. So times 8 divided by 15. Now we can simplify this one. This is going to be 2 right here. This is going to be 5 right here. So 2 over 5. So our y bar is equal to 2 over 5. Y bar is equal to 2 over 5. X bar is equal to 3 by 8. So that's our final answer. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.